Well, good evening everyone. This is Zach Harris here from Profits for Wealth Financial Trading School, and today we're going to be talking about this unique coin that has been doing great actually in the last few months. Actually, I also got involved last night as well. I'm going to show you why did I get involved in this coin and where do I think potentially it can go. Now, first of all, guys, congratulations. Now we're actually grown. Look at the cryptocurrency market cap is 800 billion at the moment, and like Bitcoin dominance is still under actually 40%, 35.9, nearly 36%. And we had a little bit of correction yesterday. Now everything is going up. Ripple is actually going back to its track of 309. Bitcoin is 17,105. Ethereum has gone up. Litecoin is doing great as well. 20% has gone up in one day. And then we have Iota has also gone up. Dash, Monero, pretty much everything is gone up. Let me just see the Cardone. That's one of my favorite ones. Ripple is also a great one. And these are pretty much everything is doing great. Look at Coin. That is also another great one. They're all actually going up. So guys, without wasting any time, I'm gonna search for Steem, and this is the one I have been talking about. This is something is very unique coin. I think it is a right time as well to get involved, and I tell you why I got involved last night. And first of all, it is ranked number 32. Market cap is 1.5 billion. It's quite a huge market cap as well. Circulating supply is 246 million. Total supply is 263 million. So looking at the charts, it has actually gone up quite a bit, but instead of looking at the chart here, first of all, I'm going to show you what this company is all about and what they actually offer. Steem powers smart media tokens. Steem is a blockchain based rewards platform for publishers to monetize content and grow community. It is kind of like YouTube, but it's slightly different because you have more control over it. Okay, you publish your content and you share that content, and with that, whatever the revenue they generate, they also share it with the community as well. So it's a great concept. And this is something, if you're actually a blogger and vlogger or something valuable content that you think that people would admire and share, you should actually look into get involved as well. In the Steem, I have recently got involved. I haven't set up my channel, but yes, fairly soon I will be doing it. So this is actually a Steem. That's one of the main reasons. As you can see here, look at the community. You know, so it's pretty nice, decent enough website. Also, great concept, great idea, and I think they're gonna do great. They're gonna do great. Not only that, there's a lot of ways you get actually earn from Steem as well. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna move over to TradingView and let's search for Steem. Steem versus Bitcoin, but we will look at maybe versus dollar price. So now we're looking at Steem chart, price chart. Again, we have got the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna change it to daily, and I really hope that we do have enough data to look at the day. Wow, we do actually, yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to draw two horizontal lines, as you can see here, that line, and I'm gonna draw another same line here. It was ranging. This was the range, price range. Okay, it was always actually consolidating or ranging in between those two price range, 0.64 cent I think, and it's $1.65 in between that, up and down. And then recently, I wouldn't even call that a bar, but in around that bar, in around mid of December, it rose up actually quite a bit, and then it should give us a price correction and rose back up again. As you can see here, we had a really good price correction, 2 bars here, 1 or 2 bars, and I actually got involved yesterday, which was in around 55 cent or something. Sorry, $5.55. My apologies, $5.50, and then it has gone up a little bit, but I still think there's a lot of room to grow. Okay, so let me just show you the 1 hour chart, and I'm going to break it down to the smaller time frame, and I show you what actually happened. As you can see here, in December, market rose up. We had a little bit of price correction, nothing major. All of them were inside bars. There we have a major price correction. Okay, so within that price correction, I thought was a great opportunity. Previously, as you can see, if I were to draw a line there was a few times actually we had a couple of few red bars, like bearish bars, and then we had a couple of other bars, but they were all inside bars. Inside bars means the bearish bars, like red bars, were smaller than green bars, so we wouldn't call it, they would be influential bars, even though here we had a really strong wood, but then again it's not a major turnover, you know. But over here we had a really good resistance level, and then after the market took a turn, as you can see, my 2 moving averages are actually breaking through as well, and then that broke through, and now I got involved last night when I saw there was a great price decline, and price were declined from overall, if I were to actually look at the all-time high price, okay, till now. So it was a 30, 34, 35% drop. I thought it was a great opportunity. It's a 35% drop from all-time high, and now overall trend is bearish, is bullish, my apologies, is bullish, as you can see. And then I saw an opportunity here last night, and I think it was in around here, 55 cent or something, and I got involved around here somewhere. And now if I were to look at here, this is a really major, wow, that's 45-50%, and I genuinely believe that it will actually, let me just go full screen, I'm going to show you. It will break through the all-time high, and I reckon I could easily make up to 100% in the matter of maybe next month to month and a half time. And that's the way I like to trade. Every time market declines, and when it starts to rise back up, and then I see the opportunity and get involved and take an advantage. Exactly the same thing I done with Cardano, exactly the same thing I done with Ripple. So it's basically called, a lot of people say buying the dip, but what I do is I identify the trend, then I saw the price correction, I look at a previous price action, that how much did they rise, and every time they're dropping, how much are they dropping, and then after that I'll take my position, looking, and once I see all the buying criteria, like my trade is meeting my buying criteria, I get involved and making between 50 to 100% on cryptocurrencies in the matter of 4 to 6 weeks time. So guys, this is my analysis of Steem. So fantastic currency. I think it's a major gap. If you want to get involved, I think this is a right time to get involved. It is after giving us a great price correction, 35% drop from all-time high. I think it's gonna go even higher. Okay, thanks very much for watching this clip, but just before I go, again, I'm not a professional financial advisor. This is just my professional opinion. I'm a technical analyst, I'm a trader, but I have trading skill. I teach people, but I don't give advices. I don't tell anyone to do this, but I think it is still a great opportunity to get involved with this team. Thanks very much, and have a great day. Bye bye.